Hi dear customer, this is our QLQ non-lockslider assembly machine with different fancy pullers. The output is more than 8,500 pieces per 1 hour. Also, is according to the manual speed. Okay, about the size, the length is 1.3 meters. The width is 0.8 meters. The height is 1.05 meters. These are the control buttons. Before your technician starts the machine, he should step on this pedal to stop the turntable. This is the start and stop button. Turn clockwise is open. This is the speed controller of the vibration plant. The number more big, the speed more fast. This is the speed controller of the turntable. This is the turntable. Okay, now let our technician to show us how to assemble the puller. Okay, start the machine. Our technician stop the turntable pedal first to finish those sliders. If you feel the speed of the vibration is so fast, you can adjust by yourself. Okay, now move on. Okay, you can see the sliders will go through the vibration plant channel and go into the turntable. Just put the fancy puller in the slider body, it's okay. It's very easy. At this place, the hammer will press the slider to prevent the puller from falling out. You can see it is assembled well.